Okay, y'all. My husband's gonna put together a Zatcorp. I reckon we're pronouncing that word right. Can't hardly see it, but it's a electric fryer. So he get ready to put this together. So he gonna fry some chicken today.
First you slide this piece up here. Yeah, you peel, well, you're supposed to peel all the stuff off. Just put some white film on it. Now, you put your oil in there, in the deep one, and then you slide this piece on this thing, and you are ready for cooking. And you slide it after you get your oil in. Put your basket in. You put your basket in there, and then when you
So where are you gonna? Oh, so you're gonna put the grease in there?
you put the grease in the pan.
The oil, yeah, we're gonna put the oil in there. Okay, and then we're gonna.
Then you put
and then we're gonna put the chicken in there.
You put the chicken in there.
And then you cover it back up.
Then you can cover it or not cover it.
Okay. All right. Okay, now he's pouring the oil in it, y'all. So and I can see that the light is already on over here. Okay, so he pours some oil in there. And it has frying temperature. So French fries 143 Celsius, 280 Fahrenheit. So it tells you about the chicken wing, chicken leg. Oh, he can put it up, the temperature in the feed. So here frying chicken legs today, and we can cook fish and steak in there too. Oh wow! And you can put some more oil in there. So what? How far did the oil supposed to go?
Yes, up to the top.
All the way up the wood. This is a lot of grease.
Where's
That's a lot of oil.
I don't know if you need to put oil, because that thing when you set the best in the chicken. I don't see that much. Put that much first.
And there's our temperature.
That thing temperature chilling hot light.
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, see it. Oh yeah, they got the power light, y'all, and then they got the hot right there. They got the hot light right there. Yeah, and so this is the temperature gauge, so he can turn the temperature to for the chicken legs to 179. So I'm gonna let him do that. I was gonna do it, but I'm gonna let him do that.
Chicken leg 170. 170. I can't see the
Got him 170. What is it gonna be on?
179.
Okay, all right. So now what you gonna do? You gonna wait till it get hot?
Yeah, wait till it get hot already.
Okay.
I don't know, is the light gonna blink or something?
It's already hot. Light hot. It has a light up there. It said hot up there. See? I guess because the grease was hot. I guess the grease was already hot. Want some of your grease hot? Some of his grease was hot in here, y'all. So maybe that's what it's doing. It look like it's trying to, look. Down there. It's trying to get hot.
It's heating up now.
Hey y'all, this is the chicken in the air fryer. So you can see it. Crispy chicken. Oh, I can't wait to taste that. And I know he have about, I don't know how many pieces in here, but look how many pieces are in there. I have a lot of pieces in there. So, y'all, yes, this was the video of the air fryer. I think it calls, I can't read the word. I think it's ZOKOP. So then it's steaming up my phone. So Zorkop. Yeah, it sounds like Zorkop. I don't know what it is, that name, but I think that's what it is, Zorkop. So y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to live, laugh, and just be happy.